What's up, y'all? Your boy Food Done back in the building again. All right, it's been a minute, but today I'm gonna make some jerk fried rice with some shrimp and some chicken breasts. First thing we got here, we got the chicken breasts, shrimp. Look at these bad boy. I got some carrots, onion, my garlic, ginger, and green onion. I got, you gotta put a little broccoli in there. Then I got green pepper and red pepper, bell pepper, not the spicy Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Where the heat come from is right here, my jerk paste. I got the paste itself, and I got the powder version. I got some black pepper and some garlic. We'll keep it simple, but I'm telling you, this meal is another banger. And I got my rice. All right, we'll show y'all how we gonna make this thing come together and work. All right, there's a little twist to it, but you know how we do here. Food done with a twist, then food done. All right, so with the chicken, I'm gonna do about a spoonful of paste. Same thing with the shrimp. Don't really want to go too much overkill, you know what I mean? Because this thing got a little heat on it. Then with the dry seasoning, I'm gonna sprinkle some on it. I'm gonna season both of them the same exact way. You know, because it's all gonna come together in a little bit. So both are gonna get seasoned the same way. Same thing with my garlic. You know, we like garlic around here. So you can always go heavy on the garlic if you want. But black pepper, a little bit, just a little bit. Like I said, I'm gonna mix both of these together. Not together, but we'll mix them separate, but later on, it's gonna meet each other. You know what I mean? So the usual, put your hand in there, make sure you get everything. Wow, that's what it's supposed to look like. So I'm gonna pause. Actually, you know what? I don't need to pause because I'm ambidextrous. So I'm gonna use my other hand. Show y'all bad boy what I can do. Yeah, your boy can work with both hands. Both hands. See what I'm saying? Usually you wash your hands though, and you won't cross contaminate or anything like that while it's raw. But like I said, they're gonna meet, so I don't know how much cross contamination is gonna get in there really, but it's just the rule. Wow. Now I'm gonna wash both my hands. So the next step, you can use whatever kind of oil you want. You can even use butter if you choose. But for right now, I'm gonna use olive oil, and I'm gonna use probably maybe a teaspoon of butter. All right, so just enough to give it that nice little sear at the bottom. So come through, bump. Let us do its thing. Heat up a little bit. In there. I mean, you can put them in there all at once. Me, I like to because the way I'm gonna do it, I'm not gonna over fry them. Just want to get a nice little glare or glaze or glare or glaze. One out of two. So good already. So I got my rice going on right here. Like I said, I'm gonna do it's a little different. I'm gonna separate it, and then we're gonna meet everything up together later on. And then, I mean, you can put a little salt, just a little pinch, because your meat, your chicken, and everything else is gonna get a little salt in it as you go. So just a little pinch of salt that you can put in there. Chicken itself, you can just toss it over there. You see that color? That's basically what I'm looking for. I'm not looking to over fry it. You know what I mean? No fried chicken. Even though I love myself fried chicken, but Basically what you're looking for is just a nice little color on it right now. Okay. It's all gonna come together later on. And I do the shrimp and chicken in the same form, just at separate times. Because the shrimp is easy to cook. So is the chicken breast. It doesn't take long at all. Maybe another 10 minutes and we're done. My rice, a little stir. See it's bubbling, doing its thing. Chicken's coming together. Just like I anticipated. So we're just about done with the chicken for right now. So I'm gonna take the chicken out and I'm gonna repeat the process with the shrimp. Okay, so after I remove the chicken, like I said, I repeat the same process with the shrimp. Now, this shrimp takes this real fast. It doesn't take long at all. And y'all see what I'm talking about. You know, cut the meat back a little bit. So I just want to get like a nice little touch of color on the shrimp. So all the leftover, I call this leftover ingredients. What I'm gonna do with that, I'm actually gonna keep it going. Because like I said, everything is gonna come together. So I wanna it really don't matter, I just wanna I see people do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Just put this up. I mean, because it's all gonna come together. That's my so everything's gonna come together. So I'm not trying to be all fancy and stuff like that. You want fancy this? You go to a 10-star restaurant. Good luck when you find that restaurant. So I can tell you this. They're not cooking like how I do. Nope. Garlic, onion, and everything. I just put everything in. And then I do a light seasoning on this. Very, very light. So I'll hit it with like a little black pepper again. And a little red bell pepper. So a little bit of that. A little bit of black pepper again. You guys can see how you can see the color and everything, how beautiful this thing looks. Carrots. Again, you don't want to overcook this at this point because all of this stuff is going to go beat the rice. So at this point, this is what I want to do with my rice. I'm going to scrape all my rice out. So I switch over from a bit to a different pot, a bigger pot, because the other pot wasn't big enough to hold the rice and all this stuff in it. So let's switch it out. do now, first thing first, I put my chicken. I mean, you don't have to go in these order. You go in the order that you want, to tell you the truth, because they really don't make that much of a difference once again. Then, add my shrimp. Soy sauce, not a lot. I put a lot of soy sauce. You just go, maybe about what, a teaspoon, about soy. Mushroom soy sauce. Then put a little crushed red bell pepper in there again. Crushed pepper. See how that color's changing? That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful color right there. Beautiful. Look at that. See how all of that is coming together? Now at this point, I want to get everything scraped off in here. I mean, everything. This pot right here, this thing is like 200 pounds. Felt like I need to build more muscle. Then, here you come. You just mix, lightly mix now, because like broccoli, I'm not trying to really crush it. I still want my broccoli to have a little value to it. Ladies and gentlemen, how this bad boy is supposed to look. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it steam maybe for about 5 minutes. And after that, you know what time it is after that? The food done. All right, so we're back. See that steam coming off of it? It's basically what we're trying to look for. So, oh yeah. Yeah. So, before I do all that, we'll come back, put a little green onion on top of it again. Give it that nice little garnish look. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. What we picking in them days?